Would you climb 268 steps just to see this? We thought it was just another tourist stop until our kids told us this was the most unforgettable place from all our Hong Kong trips. Between a glass bottom cable car, conquering our fear of heights, and standing face to face with a big Buddha, Ngongping Village surprised us in every possible way. So come with us as we explore Ngongping Village. We're going to Ngongping today. Sakay kami ng Crystal Cabin. Hirap talaga pag may kasamang kids.
Check it.
Laging may gutom.
Yeah.
Laging may naiihi.
Mostly to.
Laging may nasi-CR.
Lagi to.
Naghahanap na naman ng makakain.
Red bean bread.
Oh, red bean bread. Chili?
Milk tea.
Okay.
Tapos the straw.
Oh, ang cute ng straw na extend.
Yeah.
Parang jasmine tea, no? Sarap. Fragrant. Straw. Ganda ng straw nila. It extends and it can bend. Puro outlet stores pala dito. Sa Tung Chung Station. Yan na. After ng Ngongping, dito na lang kami mamasyal. Over there, there's Shake Shack. Try
Dito
natin
tayo
yung bake
mag-spend ng
house
time
later.
Check it.
Yes! May bake house dito sa Tung Chung
Ano
Station.
yan?
Yung egg tart.
Yep.
Let's try it later. Citygate Outlets. We first visited Hong Kong 8 years ago, but back then, Ngongping Village was under renovation for a long time, so we never got the chance to explore it properly. That's why on this trip, we made sure to fully experience everything. One of the highlights was riding the Ngongping 360 cable car, and this time, we wanted to make it extra special. We booked the Crystal Cabin in advance on Klook. Ganda ng view dito. Puro mountains. Alright, the Crystal Cabin! Yay! Dapat hindi Crystal Cabin yung kukunin namin. Takot kasi sa height si Daddy. Or napilitan. Now, this really depends on your preference. If you're scared of heights, the regular cabin might be better. It's cheaper, but the lines are usually longer. May lalaking napilitang mag-Crystal Cabin. First rule, wala daw mag-shake nung car.
Oo.
Napilitan siya. Dapat, sabi ko, hiwalay na lang. Standard cabin sila ni Kuya. Kami nila na yung magka-Crystal Cabin.
Wow.
Ayun naman niya. Napilitan siya sumama. Going to ride the Crystal Cabin. Going to Ngongping. Since it was our first time, we went all in and chose the Crystal Cabin with a glass floor. And yes, we definitely had to conquer our fear of heights. Seeing how high up we were and what was below us was both terrifying and unforgettable.
Here we go.
Look.
Don't look down.
Look, ganda ng view.
Wow. Ganda naman yung view. Ang ganda.
The view.
And look up.
Wow!
Wow.
Look at that! Wow! Dito kami sa Ngongping. Lamig dito. Ganda ng weather. Arriving at Ngongping Village felt like a breath of fresh air. It's peaceful, charming village surrounded by mountains and trees, with food stalls and cafes everywhere. We visited in January, so the weather was also super cold, which made the experience even nicer. Daming kainan dito. Yan, but before namin akyatin yung Buddha, naghahanap muna kami ng kainan. Nagugutom na naman si Daddy. Ang masarap daw yung Pauline Cafe in the monastery. Before climbing up the Big Buddha, we headed to Pauline Monastery for lunch. Based on our research, it's known for having some of the best food in the area. But keep in mind, they only serve vegetarian dishes and prices are typical tourist prices. Mahal food dito. Nag-average 100 Hong Kong dollars isang tao. Yan. Familia Rodriguez walking to the Nyongping village. Wow! Fame and fortune! Liam. OMG! Love and happiness!
Yes.
Peace and joy! Alin? Ah! Ba't cute na? Love and happiness! Nyongping village.
Oh, Vita Soup. Lala, Vita Soup.
Year of the Rabbit. Sige, go. Kakain muna kami sa Pauline Monastery. That is the Buddha. I like the vibe here. So peaceful. Hindi masyado maraming tourists. Today is a Thursday. Diba? Ang lamig. So, mahilig talaga kami sa mga malalamig na lugar. The Pauline Monastery is a peaceful Buddhist monastery founded in 1906 with elegant halls, beautiful temple architectures, and spiritual energy. Sige. Mixed vegetarian. Tapos I want the barbecue sauce buns. Look at what we ordered. So much. Vegetarian. We tried the vegetarian barbecue buns, noodles, desserts, and vegetarian barbecue platter. We love almost everything except for the matcha dessert, which was a bit too bitter for our taste. This is buns, diba? Then mochi and spring roll. Barbecue buns. Parang hindi vegetarian.
Vegetarian po?
Oo nga. Parang masarap. Tastes like meat.
Yep. Pamili mo stick mo.
Mochi.
Wait. Strike? Wow.
Mango sago.
You need to put soy sauce.
I don't really want soy sauce.
Masarap. This spring roll.
Reminds me of the sesame. Yung, what do you call it?
Mahal yung food dito pero masarap. No? This is the matcha dessert I was talking about. It's like the Filipino dessert Maha Blanca. It has red beans but it's quite bitter. This one is ano to? Ano to?
21 to.
Peanut
Di
mochi.
21 to. Lamig.
Talagang may peanut sa loob
Yesterday
and
was so
coated with
16.
coconut. Nagpabili si baby girl. Ang damdaming kinain.
Ew, you kala.
Tastes like palitaw. After lunch, we explored the temples and the Tiantian Buddha. Kaya pa, nilalamig na si Kuya. Super cold today. It has elegant halls, beautiful temple architecture, and spiritual energy. Perfect for a calm wander and photos. The giant bronze Buddha statue is part of the Pauline complex and a spiritual highlight you must include in the visit. What does it mean? Then it was time to face the challenge, the Big Buddha climb.
Let's go, ma!
Let's go!
Yan pala yung entrance.
Entrance.
Go, go, go.
Grabe! Pahinga na kagad. Look. Yan. Pwede mo magpahinga. Nasaan na yung dalawa?
It looks really high and intimidating at first, but it's totally doable.
Kaya? Kaya pa? Ng 50 years old? Kaya pa ba ng 40 yan? Sige.
For us, no visit to Ngongping Village is complete without climbing up.
Pahinga muna ang tito-tita. Sige na. Okay, rest muna. Halfway na. Ibang level ang hingaw. Hindi ko na alam kung nasa yung kids. Nauna na sa taas. Halfway there. Look at this. Whew. Dalawa na lang. Look. Yes. 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 Finally.
The view from the top was absolutely worth it, and it's such a great spot to rest and take everything in.
Kahingal. Kayong dalawa.
Oh, wow.
Did you do it straight or did you rest? Wow!
Ako I rested a bit, but it's alright.
I stopped.
Yeah, I also stopped.
I stopped for like 1 minute then and go back.
Galing ah.
Yeah.
I'm so near the Big Buddha! Yay!
AI as our tour guide.
Surroundings of the monastery.
Okay, tell me more about the statues and give me some trivia about it.
As we look through, you can see one of the 6 devas up close. Notice the intricate details, like the lotus flower she is holding, symbolizing purity and enlightenment. A bit of trivia. These statues are
Statues made of bronze.
Going down was easier. You just need to be careful and take your time.
The easier part, going down. Yan, ito kayang-kaya. Diba? Worth it naman nakitin. Maganda yung view sa taas. But siguro once ko lang gagawin. Nakakahingal siya. Nakababa na kami ng Buddha. We're going to the Wisdom Path. Mga 15-minute walk daw yun, pero worth it daw puntahan. I don't know, surprise na lang kung ano makikita namin dun. Oh. Para kaming nasa gubat. May mga tao naman, no? I see some people over there. Yeah, pero sarap ng hangin ngayon. Grabe. Sarap pala mag-travel ng January. Sobrang pleasant yung weather. Ang lamig.
We also tried to walk to the Wisdom Path, but unfortunately, it was under renovation during our visit.
And unfortunately, close pala yung Wisdom Path until the end of 2026. Buti na lang kundi pala yung nalakad namin. Na-enjoy nyo ba ang Ngongping Village?
Of course. This is my kind of place.
Diba? Very peaceful, nature,
Yeah.
serene. But would you do it again?
Yeah, I think I would.
Ikaw?
No.
Why?
Because it's tired.
Nataasan siya. Tiring lang umakyat. Yun yung mga bagay na gagawin mo once lang. Pag nagawa mo na, okay na. Medyo mahal din yung cable car. Mahal din papunta, actually. Pero, isa to sa mga spots na na-enjoy talaga namin. Nice. Liam, what do you think about Ngongping Village?
It's amazing.
Amazing.
In fact, it's one of the best places to visit here in Hong Kong. Like for me personally so far, because you really get to, experience a lot of the Buddhism, the Buddhist culture, because you also see monks, in the monastery. There are a lot of Buddha statues, and the food there is, it's very delicious, For a monastery, I honestly loved it.
Would you climb the Buddha again?
And wait. Speaking of which, the stairs in the
Sa
Buddha
Buddha.
statue are so many. And
So many.
yeah,
Nakakahingal.
there's more than 100 steps.
260 plus steps in.
Wow.
Yeah.
And
But kaya naman.
I honestly can't believe I climbed all
Hindi
of
naman
that.
kami cramps.
Yeah. I felt, so much pain in my legs after, climbing.
Okay. Would you do that again?
I mean, it was a good experience, but I'm not climbing that high again. But I enjoyed it though. The experience is great.
Okay. Yeah, may Starbucks din here. Marami namang kainan, hindi kayo magugutom. Kaso medyo pricey yung mga pagkain. Tourist spot talaga. Tourist price.
Around 5:30 p.m., we lined up for the cable car again, hoping to catch the sunset on our way down. It was cloudy that day, so we missed the sunset. But honestly, the view was still breathtaking. And the staff let us ride at the Crystal Cabin Plus, free upgrade. All in all, we know that when we come back to Hong Kong, Ngongping Village will always be on our itinerary. It's easy to get to, the cable car experience is unforgettable, and exploring the village gave us a completely different side of Hong Kong.
Kakalabas lang namin ng cable car.
Ganda. Ganda rin. Happy ako.
Pero super lamig! Pero cloudy, walang sunset.
Gusto ko yung itinerary today na chill lang. Ay, pizza! Parang
Citygate Outlets. Dito na kami magde-dinner. Kasi rush hour nila, mahaba yung pila sa mga trains. So dito na muna kami magde-dinner. Dito may bakehouse. Pero dessert na daw namin yan later. Mag-outlet daw muna kami, sabi ni Boz. Citygate Outlets.
mga kabayan ng factory.
Uy, A6 Factory Outlet. Pret. Daddy, may Pret oh.
Gusto mo? Doon tayo mamaya kape. Patingin.
Pila. Mga outlet stores, K-Swiss, Puma. Puro mga shoes pala dito. Seasonal sale. 380 na. This one, 50% off.
Electrify, 459.
Sale. Out the outlet stores, pero wala namang mabili. Oh, Timberland. High-end stores pala dito. Burberry, Max Mara. May outlet stores dito, pero wala kami nabili.
Mahal! It's
Yung luggage namin puno na.
That is
Hindi-
well.
Wala kaming room for pasalubong or anything.
Mommy,
Huh?
look, level 2 tapos you have to go here.
And medyo mahal pa rin, di ba? So, pag mag-upgrade kami ng luggage, parang hindi rin kami nakatipid.
We rode again at Tung Chung Station going back to the hotel. We decided to have dinner at Chu En Wan area instead. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more Hong Kong travel vlogs, food trips, and family adventures. Bye!